Hello animal lovers, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving nose first into the fluffy, twitchy and surprisingly complex world of one of nature's cutest critters, the rabbit. You might think you know everything about these adorable carrot crunchers, but trust me, there's a whole secret life happening right beneath those long ears. So, grab a comfy seat and let's hop right in. First off, let's talk about those iconic ears. They're not just for show or for hearing a bag of treats rustling from a mile away. A rabbit's ears are its personal air conditioning system. The large surface area is filled with blood vessels that dilate or constrict to regulate body temperature. When a rabbit gets hot, blood flows to its ears, cools down in the breeze, and then circulates back through its body. So, next time you see a bunny's ears looking a bit pink, it might just be trying to catch a cool breeze. Pretty neat, right? Now, what about that cute little nose twitch? It's not just an adorable quirk. Rabbits have around 100 million scent receptors in those tiny noses. For comparison, we humans have a mere 6 million. That constant twitching helps them expose more of these receptors to the air, allowing them to smell predators, find the tastiest patch of clover, and even recognize their friends. They're literally smelling the world in high definition, which is essential for survival when you're on almost everyone's dinner menu. Let's debunk a popular myth. Do rabbits really love carrots? Well, yes and no. Thanks to cartoons, we picture them munching on carrots all day long. But in reality, carrots are very high in sugar and should only be an occasional treat. A wild rabbit's diet consists mainly of hay, grass, and leafy weeds. Too many carrots can lead to digestive problems for these little guys. So, while a small piece is a delightful snack, a healthy rabbit is one that's munching on a big pile of fresh hay. Here's something you might find a bit unusual. Rabbits practice something called coprophagy. Now, hold on, it's not as gross as it sounds. They produce two types of droppings. One is the hard, round pellet we all recognize. The other is a soft, nutrient-packed pellet called a cecotrope, which they eat directly as it's produced. This process allows them to digest their food a second time, absorbing all the essential vitamins and nutrients they might have missed the first time around. It's nature's very own super-efficient recycling system. And what about their social lives? Rabbits are incredibly social and form complex hierarchies. In the wild, they live in large groups in extensive burrow systems called warrens. They communicate through a subtle body language. A happy rabbit will do a binky, a huge leap and twist in the air. A thump with their back leg is a warning signal to others that danger is near. They even groom each other to strengthen their bonds. It's a whole society full of drama, friendship, and family ties, hidden just beneath the surface of the meadow. So there you have it, a peek into the secret, fascinating life of rabbits. There's so much more than just cute, fluffy faces. They are intelligent, social, and perfectly adapted survivors. Every twitch, every hop, and every nibble has a purpose. We hope you've learnt something new and have an even greater appreciation for these wonderful creatures. If you enjoyed hopping down the rabbit hole with us today, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.